Uh-oh, our friends are all mixed up. Let's put them back together. Slide each row until they all match and find out who they are. Very good! You're almost there. Ellie, the graceful pink elephant, who's always ready to shine. Good, Pocoyo and Ellie, an energetic pair who love to keep on moving. Great! You are almost done. Slide the rows to match a whole face. Pocoyo, the playful and curious big boy of blue. Great! You did it! See you soon!